We have 92 million tons a year of textile waste, which is only to a very small percentage recycled. The rest is burned or used for landfill. And I think we can't go on like that. If you see the global population will grow a lot over the next decades and the textile production will go up. So something we have to change. And I think the young generation is much more sensitive than they were before, and that will influence even the elderly people. So I think we will see a move in the next 2 or 3 years strongly to more sustainable garments and textiles. The Amann Group is producing sewing thread and embroidery thread for a wide range of different industrial branches and segments, which is used then in thousands of applications, which are very different. If you look at the production processes, we need a lot of electrical energy for the pre-spinning operation, for twisting and weaving. And then finally, it's the dyeing operation, which consumes gallons and gallons of water to dye the garments and to get the color in. So the last 5 years, we saved 29% of the water, which we used before, and that is mainly done by reusing wastewater.
We are using in our plants reverse osmosis. We are investing into this so that we are reusing our water, and we are planning in the next few years that all our production units are working with reverse osmosis. Certification for environmental management we already got in 2008, so ISO 14001. We are doing audits every year in all our production units. We have one standard worldwide, so if we have 14001 here, environmental management in Augsburg, we apply the same to every single production site we have in the world. So there is only one standard in the Amann Group.
We took the strategic decision to open the plant in Romania, mainly because our country is still a production hub for automotive and fashion customers. Our plant is the result of consistent investment done across the last 15 years, benefiting from a state-of-the-art technology. The implementation of sustainable practices has definitely changed the way we run this plant. In meeting the upcoming concerns of our customers, we initiated the certification of the global recycling standard for our production of recycled threads. By streamlining materials and processes and by installing new technologies, we have more control and less human resources errors. All these actions translate into a safer workplace, a cleaner environment, a better product quality while enhancing the control of the process.
We are a global company and we are originally coming from Germany, but you know the textile industry is moving around and we have to supply our customers in their required lead time. And that is only possible if we produce in the country where our customers are, and that is, for example, Bangladesh, and we produce in Bangladesh for Bangladesh only on supply chain reasons. Theoretically, it would be possible to import to Bangladesh thousands of articles and bring it in from different production locations. That's neither economical nor sustainable and for sure not possible in our business.
Amann Bangladesh plant produces sewing and embroidery thread for the fashion industry. We have very sophisticated plant machineries and follow best practices to our production processes to ensure best quality product, service and safety of our people. From the beginning, we paid high importance in building a professional team. Now, Amann Bangladesh have most experienced and versatile team of professionals in the industry. Amann consciously decided to enter into the UN Global Compact. Bangladesh is also part of this. Our ambition not only to be pioneer in producing high quality product and service, but also in activities in the spirit of sustainability.
Yeah, the 10 principles from the UN Global Compact are the base of our work outside. We have to train the people outside as well on those principles, and that is all integrated in our code of conduct as well. When I look at what has changed is that we have a huge demand from our customers requesting for recycled threads. They all are bringing new lines in because they have seen, even maybe based on Friday for Future trends and all this, that the young generation gets more and more sensitive on what we do with our resources and how we treat our environment. I think we are ahead of the curve. We have even now started, and we are the first company doing that. We will bring a sewing thread cradle-to-cradle basis. On the one side, really disposable cradle-to-cradle theory that nothing left, you can put the thread on the ground and it goes away. Or you have cradle-to-cradle purposes where you really, in the way where you get produced it, at the end you can reuse the thread to 100%.
Even an insignificant part in the production chain, like the sewing thread, can make a difference as well. It is a very important part of the whole, and not the big part makes a difference, every small part makes a difference as well.